Alright, and this is outside my porch. There's the snow coming down. There's the street. There's my grandma's car. My car's behind it. I look down, there's our crazy ass neighbors. They have all their lights turned off, which is kind of good because they never do it. But there's the snow. There are my dogs. They were outside going to the bathroom earlier. There's the tracks, but there's neighbors down there. But see the snow? It is blizzarding, and we're supposed to get more inches by the end of the night. So I'll keep you posted. Good night.